Alright, this is Marie gonna do toxic waste. Come on, be a big girl. That's not bad.
Oh my god, it's really sour.
Come on, I toughed it out. You gotta tough it out. It doesn't last that long. No, yeah, I'm still eating it. The sour goes away. Suck on it, get it off of there. It goes away, come on. Come on, be a big girl, tough it out. I'm gonna send this to your mom. Hey Robin, this is your girl.
She's eating toxic waste.
She's eating toxic waste.
Gone.
See, it's gone.
There's the toxic waste.
The toxic waste that she just ate.
Toxic waste chamber.
Alright, good job, Marie.